Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm doing an Ulta haul. I haven't done it in a long time and I try not to do as many because I don't need to waste so much money on makeup because I do get subscriptions every month, so I try not to go real crazy in that Ulta. But since Christmas just passed, I had a few gift cards for my birthday and Christmas, and then I had been saving up points from the Ulta membership thing, so I went a little crazy this time. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. All right, so first things first, this isn't really like makeup, but I really needed it because I ran out, and this is the Ulta brand Ulta Beauty Blooming Berries Exfoliating Body Scrub, and I really like it. The first one I got was like the cucumber one, but this one is smelled, and it smells so good. It's just pink, I don't know, strawberry berries. I love those smells. So and it's really good, especially before shaving. TMI maybe, but it's good to exfoliate before you shave, and it just helps and smooths out your skin really nice, so I love it. Next up is this Beauty Blender Sweet Surprise Mystery Blind Bag. I've actually never saw this anywhere before until today, so that's what it looks like. Confetti bag, and I actually don't even own any beauty blenders, so this is the first one. It's a yellow blender. It's cool. Oh, and it's really soft, even if it's not wet. I've never had one before. And of course it came with a little solid bar to clean them. I'm definitely excited to try out the beauty blender because people rave about them, but I've never tried one before yet. Up next is another blender, but this is the Real Techniques. I have some that are so old and I just need to replace some, so I got a new one. And those are really super affordable. They're like $5 and they're really good, so I just need a replacement. Up next is this Ideal Times Thalia City Cool eyelashes. I don't wear too many eyelashes, but I know I have some parties coming up and stuff, and I really wanted to try something new, a new type of lashes, and these are like from the Foaming collection from her. And these, I don't know if you can tell, but they're like small and they get big, so it was something interesting I wanted to try, and yeah, I'm gonna give them a try later on. Next up is this Makeup Revolution foundation stick. So I've tried their concealers and they're a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape for sure, and they're awesome and so inexpensive. And this one was also very inexpensive, and it was, I believe, $9. So I need to try more inexpensive foundations for sure, so I wanted to give this one a try. But I wanted to try it for the longest, and I finally decided to pick it up today. Next is this Thayer's Natural Remedies Witch Hazel with aloe vera formula and rose petal. I've heard that witch hazel is really good, so I just wanted to try it. I've heard it from different people and I wanted to give it a try for myself. And then I just got this EOS lip balm because right now it's cold here and it's killing my lips and everything, but I really needed a lip balm. Next I got this Too Faced Jordan Woods times Too Faced Rich Dazzling Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Social Butterfly, and I just got it because it looks really cute and I love anything sparkly. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just so pretty, and I don't think I have Too Faced. I have a latex one, but I don't know, this one was really tempting me, so I just gave it a try. That's what the shade looks like. It's kind of like more of a lip topper, I feel like, but it's really cute and sparkly, so I really wanted to try it. I also ended up getting this Precisely My Brow pencil. I used the other one, I don't know what it's called, the thicker one, and today I got my eyebrows done at the benefit bar in Ulta. So the lady filled up my eyebrows with this, and I just told her to get me one, and I'm gonna try it. Looks like that. So it has the spoolie on one side, and on the other side is the tip, and it's really super fine tip for just to create those like more natural looking hairs type thing eyebrows, which is why it's called Precisely My Brow Pencil. So yeah, I wanted to give it a try. Next up, I was just walking around and I saw some pigments from Tarte. They're the Tarte chrome paint shadow pots, and I got 2 of them. One's in the shade Rose, looks like that. That's what it looks like in there. I don't know if you can really tell how pretty it is, but let's see. And that's a swatch of it. It's so freaking pretty. And that's a swatch on my hand right there. Super metallic, really pretty. The other shade I got was Fire Dancer. That's a swatch on my finger right there. Oh my gosh, that's a swatch on my hand, and it's so freaking pigmented, so bright and bold. I cannot wait to wear this shade. Recently I've been liking a lot of bold colors, even though I don't wear them every day, but on the weekends when I don't work, I love to wear them, and this is something I really want to try. Next up, kind of following along with the same terms, I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills loose glitter. And I have a few glitters already, but I've never tried any by Anastasia. So this is what they look like. They just come in a little thing like that. And then it has the little protector thing with the lid. And let's see. I can't really swatch it. Let's see. And I don't want to just put it over. I don't know if you can tell, but I put some on my hand right there. I don't know if you can really see though. But I mainly got it because my husband's cousin is having her quinceañera this weekend, and I wanted to put extra glitter. I'm doing her makeup, so I wanted to do extra glitter on her eyes, and her color is like pink, so that's why I mainly got it. But also because I like pink and I like glitter, so fits with both. And then almost done with the bag, I promise. I got this Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray because also for the makeup, her quinceañera is coming, like my husband's cousin's quinceañera, so I definitely gotta make her makeup last all night. And for me also, because I've only tried this one once before and it was like a travel size, and I ran out of it a long time ago and I never got around to purchasing a new one. This time I got the full size though, so it'll last me a while. And I do have other setting sprays, but I really wanted one that's really good, and I know this one is good. And last but not least, I know I couldn't leave Ulta without Kylie Cosmetics products. So yeah, I got a red velvet, I don't know why I say red velvet, but a velvet formula lipstick. And this is in the shade Commando, I believe. Yeah, Commando. And that's what the color looks like right there. It's more of a nude color, which I really like. I like nude colors, and it's really pretty. And I think I really like the velvet formula with her. Like, I've never had her velvet formula is probably one of my favorites from any brand, which I really haven't tried many, but I probably like the velvet ones more than the matte. I'm not sure. I like the matte because this one's actually, well, no, it's not. I like the mattes, but sometimes they're a little too drying, and these are just perfect and they stay on for a good whiles too. So I like the velvet formulas. If you want to try any of Kylie's, you want to velvet, are definitely good ones. All right guys, so yeah, that was probably one of my longest Ulta hauls, maybe, I'm not sure, but it's been a while, so I hope you liked it, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.